Here's the craft box you'll need to decorate your bike or scooter. There will be items for the number of children in your family. First is the Noisemaker craft bag. Please save this bag until the end. We'll have a separate video link showing you what to do.
The second thing is a handlebar streamer craft bag. We'll also have a link later for you to follow.
Next are bike chain bracelets. These are just fun. You can keep them, you can wear them, whatever you'd like.
The next is a Noisemaker cards. We're going to use this with the Noisemaker craft bag, but while you're doing all these ones at the beginning, make sure that you use the markers to decorate your Noisemaker card for later use.
Next are the Big Ride 2020 vinyl stickers. Make sure you clean the area before you try to apply it onto your bike, scooter, helmet, whatever you have permission to put it on.
The next are the spoke beads. These are cool glow-in-the-dark things that will connect to your spokes by just clipping them on, and we will show you how to do that shortly.
And last are the spoke wraps. These also go onto the spokes, and we'll show you how to do those.
So the first thing we're going to show you how to put on today is these little guys. They look like straws, but they're already cut. And you can just push them on, and they're just kind of to help you decorate your spokes. You can see how they're split right here. That's where you're going to kind of put your force on, so it starts flashing on like that. You can tell that this one's a little too long, so I'm going to take it off and trim. You can also trim just for like design or style, like if you want to cut them like into 1 or 2 inch pieces and put different colors in the same spoke. That's also really cool too. Let me trim a little bit more. Alright, so we have that. And then also too, we have these cool, we got these cool spoke beads that glow in the dark. So you can just press them through the hole, and those will clip into your spoke as well. And those will move. Those will move as you ride your bike. And we also have that, and I think you already knew what to do with that.